Are you struggling with lazy loading in Angular 4? It can be incredibly frustrating when your routes just don't seem to work. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into a common issue that many developers face. I totally get it. You set up your routes, you think everything is in place, and then nothing shows up on the screen. It's like preparing a feast and no one shows up to eat. You're definitely not alone in this. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user mentioned that they have a module with routes, including a lazy loading module, but the child routes aren't appearing in the router config. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what could be going wrong here? Lazy loading can be tricky, especially when it comes to child routes. Sometimes it's just a small misconfiguration that can cause everything to fall apart. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue with lazy loading in Angular, the user should first ensure that the lazy loaded module is correctly configured in the main routing module. This includes checking the path and the module name. Next, the user should confirm that the child routes are properly defined within the lazy loaded module. This means ensuring that the child routes are nested correctly under the parent route. After verifying the routes, the user should check if the router module is imported correctly in the lazy loaded module. This is crucial for the routes to be recognized. Finally, the user can print the router configuration again to see if the child routes now appear. This will help confirm that everything is set up correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Angular was first released in 2010? It has come a long way since then, but some issues still feel like they belong in the past. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that in your main routing module, you should use routermodule.forRoot instead of routermodule.forChild. This change allows the root router to properly load child routes. Additionally, remember to use module with providers for your lazy loaded module. This ensures that the routing is set up correctly for lazy loading. For more insights on lazy loading, check out the recommended blog tutorial on lazy loading modules. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your routes organized and well documented. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, your lazy loading should be working perfectly. Remember, keeping your routes clear and organized is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.